So I'm Dr. Aditya Khandelwal and welcome to my channel Flora Frenzy. In my videos you might have seen me making a lot of tray gardens, and making these tray gardens is kind of one thing I enjoy a lot. So these are kind of tasteful and very innovative, thoughtful gifts that can be given to everybody. No matter whether it is a child or an elderly person, men, women, anybody, you can give these tray gardens to them. These can be customized. And you know, the most important thing of customizing these tray gardens remains in the toys that we put in that. So earlier I have shown you a lot of toys that are put into tray gardens, and apparently they come in a number of materials. So there can be a terracotta thing, then there can be toys in ceramic, then it can be something also in resin, which is kind of plastic only. But today what I am going to cover is something you might not have seen it or heard it from anybody else. So in my earlier videos, once I did a whole video on the pots that I have received from Khurja, and in that video I told you that Khurja is world's biggest ceramic hub. So in Khurja, obviously when it is the biggest hub of ceramic, they come up with such good variety of ceramic. But then the most important thing is कि Khurja के अलावा there is this only one person in Gwalior, MP. He makes such amazing, intricate, beautiful miniature toys, and he does them. Obviously he makes it with hand, so he does not have a very huge production that he can manufacture. So he sells it to very limited people. Apparently after a very long period of time, and after talking to a number of people, I could get hold of these toys from somebody else, of course, not from him. But then I have this package lying with me, and I'm going to show you and open this box in front of you, and I'm going to show you the miniature toys that I've received in ceramic from somebody, but these are originally from the Gwalior, and probably in future I am going to take you to Gwalior and I'm going to show you how these miniature toys are made. Okay, so let's get started, and let me open this box for you, and then we'll see the kind of amazing शिल्पकारी which is there in these toys. तो बहुत ही ज़्यादा सुंदर होते हैं ये toys, और इतना minutely उनमें पेंटिंग की जाती है, उनको बनाया जाता है, and apparently I've got to know कि हर एक toy के लिए अलग से एक फरमा बनाया जाता है. The mold which is supposed to be prepared. So first of all that mold is made, then the ceramic का जो भी raw material होता है that is put into it. उसके बाद में उसको पकाया जाता है. पकाने के बाद में ये जो toys होते हैं ये निकाले जाते हैं वहाँ से, फिर उसके बाद में उन पे पेंट किया जाता है. So the process is very long, and you would appreciate that after such a long process these toys are made, and only by hand these are done, then they are painted. So it's a very long process that is followed. Okay, so let's finally open this and let's see कि उसमें क्या मेरे लिए आज आया है. And I can start with these small ducks which are referred to as puck-pucks by these people. So these are again very beautiful, and intricate handwork is there. So I have it in two colors. One is yellow and the other one is white. And handling these are so delicate, because जब boxes आते हैं मेरे, तब मुझे बड़ा डर लगता है कि कहीं इनमें से कुछ टूट ना गया हो. So you can see that these are so tiny, so small. So इनको कुछ भी नहीं होता है. The good part is कि once you have put it into your tray garden, nothing goes wrong with them. तो ये ऐसी ही रहती हैं after 5-10 years as well. I can show you. ये मेरी बहुत पुरानी एक ट्रे है, और इसके अंदर यही वाली जो वो है डक वो रखी हुई है, एंड इट्स स्टिल द सेम. सो द बेस्ट पार्ट अबाउट इट इज़ कि ये बिल्कुल भी ख़राब नहीं होती है. सो दैट्स दी puck-puck duck for you, and yes, it goes on my table right here. Let me see what else I have over here. Okay, so another kind of packing, not in a polythene but like this. Oh, these are small elephants. These look so pretty with the kind of color it comes in, and the trunk, you have to see it to believe it, the kind of small toys these are. So these are elephants, and apparently I also have toys, elephants which are in pairs. So very nice. I think, and let me tell you the cost. So this would come around 50 rupees, 45 to 50 rupees in the resale market, and this also around, you know, the almost the same price is there. So almost 50 rupees per piece. And of course these are indigenous, these are handmade. So I think it is justified. That kind of price is definitely justified. Oh, this is something new which I have never seen anywhere. So this is a little basket which is there. And look at the bright red color that it comes in. Okay, so the basket that I got in red color, there are so many colors in that. I just opened it. So there are two blue colors, one white color, then there is brown, orange, red, yellow, all sorts of colors are there. There's a whole rainbow which has been created by all these. So now let me just quickly open all the things and show you what else do I have over here. So this is a mix of squirrel and some ducks. So this is a duck with its wings open, and there's a small squirrel is also there. Next up, so you know the most important thing or the differentiating factor in the toys that come from Gwalior are these are much smaller. इतने small toys जो होते हैं वो आपको कहीं पर भी नहीं मिलेंगे. Nowhere in Khurja, nowhere else. Okay, then I have the next set of toys include the smaller deers, which are again much smaller in the size and much intricate and very beautiful. And then I have little cows, which are also quite, you know, nicely made, and they are very small in the size. So for smaller trays you actually need smaller toys, and these are not available anywhere else. Okay, the next set of things is, which is one thing which goes very easy in the tray gardens. These are Buddhas. You can just put any plant in the background, and then you can keep a Buddha, and the tray is gonna look very beautiful. So I have, these are called as baby Buddhas, and these are available in number of colors. There is blue, there is orange, and then there is brown also in it. So there you go with the you know, the baby Buddhas. The next up is another packet which consists of even smaller ducks. So this is the next set of toy, and these are even smaller. The another duck that I have over here is this. So these are little you know, sitting kind of ducks. Then comes the bigger bridges, and you can see the intricate work which is there. So these come in two colors, one is brown and the other one is blue, and again these are very big, and this would come somewhere around 150 rupees per bridge. The other toys that you see over here, the birds and everything, is in the range of almost 50 rupees, 80 rupees, depending upon the size and the intricacies which are there. Okay, this is something new which I have never seen earlier. So this is a pair, a couple, which is sitting, and generally it is supposed to be put on a bench. So this is supposed to be put on a bench, and that's the couple. I had some benches, that is why I did not order for that. Oh. Okay, next set of toys is, you know, as I told you that these elephants, they come in pairs. So I have this whole pair is completed now. The whole family is completed. Two bigger elephants with the smaller little calves with them. Okay, this is something unique. So these are piglets, and these are like extremely cute. So piglets are generally not found in any of the toys, but this is a little bigger size. I think I have also ordered the smaller piglets, so I will show you as and when they come. So this is the pair of piglets that I have taken, and many more to go. Okay, so this toy also comes in pairs. The whole family comes in this as well. So here I have a cute little sheeps. So these also come in 3 sizes, the big size, the medium size and the small size. This is the smallest one that I just opened. Okay, as I told you that pigs also come in family, with the family. So these are the smaller pigs that I have. So smaller pigs, bigger pigs, they also go with their family. So here I have 2 small pigs and 2 big pigs. It must be the hut. Let me open it. Oh no, these are the elephants. I have ordered these elephants in 2 colors. So then I have white and the black ones. So the family gets completed again. I have 2 baby elephants and 2 mama and papa elephants. What else do I have? I think this is the last packet that I'm going to open for you, and this is the middle sized sheep. So in sheeps we get 3 sizes. You can put it as you want. So I think that was it. Let me show you something. All the mess that is created in the background. So there you go. You can see it over there. So these are all the toys that I have received, and this is the kind of mess that is created. So I will go on bringing such kind of videos, नए तरीके की gardening से related जितनी नई innovative चीज़ें आती हैं. And in my next videos, I am going to show you something called as कोकेडेमा. कोकेडेमा होता है जो कि बिल्कुल absolutely organic, जो अपन लोग baskets वगैरह बनाते हैं. The कोकेडेमा is like a basket which can be hung or kept on a table, but then it is absolutely organic and can be made at home. So I am going to show all that to you, and I am going to show you everything that is available in the market relating to the toys, the tray gardens, the pots and everything. For today, this is the whole world that I have got, and these are so pretty. I am going to make some jungle theme tray gardens out of these, and I'm sure you're gonna love them. So that would be it for the day, and yes, keep following me, keep subscribing to my channel, do refer it to your friends, share the video on your Facebook, on all the channels that you have. Do visit my Instagram page, because on Instagram page, the most amazing thing that I do in the whole week is the Saturday and Sunday. So on Saturday, I post the picture of the tray garden that I'm going to make on Sunday. On Sunday, you can see the step-by-step process. In just 1 minute, I will show you the whole making of a tray. So I am sure a lot of you have subscribed to my channel. If not, please do subscribe to my channel, share, like and subscribe. I'll see you next week. Bye-bye.